Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News, the top stories this hour. It's a sad state of affair for Goa. One minor girl raped, another molested in North Goa. Nobody can stop me from joining Congress, says Dr. Willie. Unemployment raises its head. More than 10,000 youth apply for 290 posts in Health Department. Hindu Dharma Jagrati meet at Perne. Hindu leaders blame government for doing injustice to Hindus. National snooker underway at Miramar. And Goan boxing arena brimming with talent. Now the news in detail. Is law and order left in Goa? Rape cases have become frequent in the state. A 3.5-year-old girl from Talegaon was molested by a 23-year-old man. In another case in Mapsa, a 14-year-old girl was raped again after she escaped from a protective home.
The number of rape cases in Goa are increasing day by day. It directly shows the failure of state authority to maintain law and order in the state. Unfortunately, elected representatives are not taking any interest in solving such issues. A 3.5-year-old girl from Talegaon was sexually molested. SP Special Cell Atmaram Deshpande informed us about the arrest of the accused in Talegaon molestation case.
On 16/2/2009, at about 2 o'clock in the morning, a complaint was lodged at Panjim police station that at Padribhat in Talegaon, one minor girl aged about 3.5 years was molested by one Mahabali Harnavi, a resident of Talegaon, near Electricity Department office at Padribhat, Talegaon, and native of Haveri district, Karnataka. And this case has been registered under Section 354 IPC and Section 8 of Goa Children's Act 2003, in which it has been alleged that this minor girl was taken to a closed room near the Electricity Department and molested by this accused person. Complaint has been lodged, the accused has been arrested. He has been taken on 5 days remand, and medical examination of the victim as well as the accused has been done, and further investigation is in progress with PSI Chimulkar of Panjim police station.
Our reporter from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Nationalist Congress Party State President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza has said that nobody can stop him from joining Congress. He also mentioned that he brought Congress to Goa. He was reacting to a question by a journalist.
We are likely to join Congress Party. What's stopping us? What is stopping us? Nothing is stopping us. If we want, we will do it. If we want, we will do it. I was always Congress. I brought Congress to Goa now. Don't you know that? If Congress defeated MG and came here, it was due to me.
With the Lok Sabha elections ahead, NCP leaders are eyeing the North Goa seat. On the other hand, their coalition partner Congress is in a dilemma regarding finalization for the North Goa seat. Advocate Ramakant Khalap, Gurudas Natekar and Congress Party General Secretary Vishnu Surya Wagh are in the pipeline. Subhash Shirodkar has also clearly conveyed that he was not in the race and also not interested for the North Goa seat as he had the responsibilities of 40 constituencies as a Congress Party president. He also informed that the Congress candidate will be finalized within next 15 days. When the media inquired on the NCP's position regarding Lok Sabha election, Dr. Wilfred D'Souza preferred to play it safe.
Elections have not yet been announced. Are they announced? Parties are in negotiation with each other for coming to some conclusions. Now we read that the NCP is talking to Shiv Sena, we read that the NCP is talking to Samajwadi Party, we read that the NCP is talking to your Congress. We read all sorts of things. But so far we have not been told anything.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
If one goes with the response that the health department has received for their vacant posts, one can easily presume the number of unemployed and underemployed youth in Goa. In last 10 days, more than 10,000 applications have been received by the health department for mere 290 posts.
Long queues were seen throughout the day on Monday outside the Office of Directorate of Health Services to submit the application. Some of the applicants had to wait for more than 3 hours. For whole day, staff of department was seen busy just receiving the application. Some staff members of the Department of Health told Prudent Media that the response is overwhelming and it shows that people still prefers government job. Some sources in health department said that they are still expecting more application for 290 posts in coming days. This response unfortunately also indicates number of unemployed and underemployed youths in Goa. These applicants have come from all over Goa. When Prudent Media took views of some applicants, they said that government job is still lucrative and best.
डेटा एंट्रीचो जॉबा लागून आयलो हांगा अडेच वयर जाला आमकां हांगा रावन आतां आनी चड लायन्यो लागल्या दिसता हांगा सगळे लोक लायनीक रावले सगळे लायनी करताय गव्हर्मेंट जॉब वॅकन्सी आयला म्हण येयला आतां जॉब गव्हर्मेंट जॉबाक तेज्या पयलीं आतां सिप्ला कंपनीन काम करता आनी चोवपा जाता कितें जाता तें
तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता आतां पोस्ट कितली आहा कितें म्हाका खबर ना पूण आतां कोणाक पोस्ट मेळटले हें म्हाका खबर ना पूण लोक भरपूर आसा पूण तें नशिबाचेर आहा न्हू कोणाक कितें मेळटलें नशिबाचेर आहा न्हू जॉब बेश्टो मेळना नशिबाचेर थारला जोडटा मेरीट गावता अशें ना न्हू तें निमाणें कितें आसा तें घडपाचें घडटात न्हू एक्चुअली कितें घडपाचें घडटात पूण आतां आमी ट्राय करप इंटरव्यू दिवप सगळें करप
लायक म्हणजे बरें फॅसिलिटी आहा बरें पेन्शन बी मेळटा मागीर लास्टाक आनी आवय बापूय बरें दिसता गव्हर्मेंट जॉब लागला म्हणून तेका लागून म्हाका लागल्यार नशीब देवाच्या हाती आहा.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.